We have a token of appreciation. I request Mrs. Honored.
About turn.
Now, our respected directors.
Start national anthem. भारत माता की भारत माता की followed by the house building and building and the sunlight Hataya. Red is symbol of love and the standards of right and wrong. Help us to live a holy life. The house is led by Captain Master Ashwat Bhoti and Miss Tejasvi Vaidila.
Now we are watching the marching of Karma House dressed in yellow. Symbol ensures deeds of karma, which means actions. This house is led by Captain Aviral Lal Jain and Miss Anshika Khade.
Followed by the AIA choir. Here on Superintendent Anushka Sarai, on Drummer Master Yash Bhagat, along with side drummers Manoj Joya, Devara Singh Yadav, Akshay Jain and Arham Jain. This is led by Harshal Das, holding enthroned ceremony, also known as a swearing-in ceremony or oath-taking.
The newly elected head boy of the AIA is Master Anupal Digarse, son of Mr. Ghanshyam Digarse, and believes that success is the sum of stay out. He is a passionate learner and wants to become a successful businessman. We wish him the best of everything in his life. The young leader is taking
And this is really Tripathi. He is working forward proudly to take over as the new enthusiastic learner. She is very ambitious and wants to become a software engineer. And she wants to contribute in the software development of the nation. We wish her all the luck.
Chaurasia, daughter of Mr. Akhilesh Chaurasia and Mrs. Rashmi Chaurasia, is into her aspirations. She wants to become a surgeon as she wants to opt a noble profession and serve the nation. We wish her all the best for
She is a committed sportsman and has made valuable contributions to the area of outcome, and she wants to make the society disease-free. She also wants to do the welfare of the people who are not capable enough to afford costly treatments. What a thought, Aishi!
Rajesh Pandite and Mrs. Usha Pandite needs to provide healthy atmosphere for spoken English and encourage new students and provide them healthy atmosphere for speaking skills. Our Indian minister wants to become an IAS officer in future as she wants to make her parents feel proud and wants to do social welfare.
Elected Cultural Minister Ms. Virushi Soni, daughter of Mr. Varun Soni and Mrs. Meenakshi Soni. Police staff for conducting cultural feats and her council members. She will try to do work with enthusiasm and to ensure to maintain discipline during cultural events. Vidushi wants to become a pilot as she has a determination for pursuing this career.
Son of Mr. Akhilesh Agrawal and Mrs. Nidhi Agrawal, he assures and promises to protect and promote healthy environment, cleaning classroom, and to promote healthy habit of living lifestyle among students. He wants to serve the society as a successful businessman and wants to join his family business and continue the legacy to make his business more prosperous. We hope that you make your business grow more and more.
We request your newly elected Discipline Minister, Master Vivek Jain, son of Anil Kumar Jain and Mrs. Suran Jain. The discipline is the key to a successful life. Following the code, he is committed to become a businessman and earn more money for fulfilling the dreams of his family. We hope you achieve everything you wish for.
The leader of opposition, Master Apar Jain, son of Mr. Anup Jain and Apar wants to become the owner of a multinational company so that he can get employment as housing. We hope that you achieve this noble profession of yours. And Thapar is elected as the leader of opposition, so he will be dealing with all the misleadings of the school. We wish you all the luck, Thapar. Let's give a huge round of applause.
Hi, I, of grade 10 on 22 August 2024, take charge as the discipline minister. I, Apar Jain of grade 10 on 24 August 2024, take charge as the leader of opposition.
I, Rituji Soni of grade 9 on 24th of August 2024, take charge as the cultural minister.
I, Hriday Jawal of grade 9 on 24 August 2024, take charge as health minister.
I, Ayushi Chokse of grade 9 on 24th August 2024, take charge as the sports minister. I, Nutan Tandekar of grade 9 on 24th August 2024, take charge as the legal minister. I, Shivangi Tripathi of grade 10 on 24th August 2024, take charge as the head girl. I, Mr. Sarasya of grade 10 on 24th August 2024, take charge as the speaker.
I, Anuj Joshi of grade 10 on 24 August 2024, take charge as the head boy in the AIE cabinet for academic year 2024-25. Responsibilities
I take up the responsibilities
of school leader
entrusted to me,
and I solemnly promise that I will discharge my duties with dedication and sincerity. I will abide by the rules and carry out the instructions given to me by the principal and the members of the staff of the welfare of students community and to bring honor to our school.
Sign the cabinet register and take over the responsibility of their respective roles. Before that, I would request our director, Mr. Brijesh Maheshwari sir, proceedings. Let's welcome him with a huge round of applause. Gondi Jain ji to join us on the stage. To move
I request to our principal sir, please give a bouquet to our head boy.
now, I request our director sir to honor our newly elected head boy with the sash.
Now I request to our director, Mr. Brijesh Maheshwari sir, to give the memento to our head boy.
Newly elected head boy. The newly
To present the bouquet our director please present the memento to our newly elected speaker.
Now, I request our respected principal sir to honor our newly elected speaker with the sash.
Our newly elected speaker of AIA
to proceed in the signing the cabinet register.
elected sports minister.
I request our director please present the memento to our sports minister.
Now I request our respected principal sir to honor our sports minister with the sash. Shri Chokse.
बढ़िया आ रही थी
Minister,
ओवर को नहीं कर सकते
the bouquet.
I request our director please present memento to our newly elected lingual minister.
Now I request our respected principal sir to honor our lingual minister with the sash.
Our newly elected lingual minister 2024-25. Let's give
And sign the cabinet register.
bouquet to our newly elected cultural minister.
Now I request our respected director sir to present the memento to our cultural minister. We want to take a moment and welcome Kumari Bharti, Excise Department Chore. Let's welcome her with a huge round of applause.
We want to take a moment and Department Chore. Let's welcome her with a huge round of applause. Turn Hiday Agrawal to move forward. Now I request our director sir to present the memento to our health minister.
I request our principal sir for honoring our newly elected health minister with sash.
Now I request our special guest to pin up the badge to our newly elected health minister. Our newly elected health minister for the session one. Let's give him a huge round of applause.
Cabinet register.
Present the bouquet to our newly elected discipline minister.
I request our director please present the memento to our newly elected discipline minister.
Now I request our respected principal sir to honor our newly elected discipline minister with the sash.
I request our chief guest to pin up the badge to our newly elected discipline minister.
Our discipline minister for the session.
Now I request to our newly elected leader of attention.
Master Atman Jain. Let's give him a huge round of applause. Please move ahead. Mr. Brajesh Maheshwari to impart some words of wisdom. Let's I would like to take a moment and let's welcome him with a huge round of applause.
Dear parents, especially the chairman of AIA, Mr. Sanjeev Jain sir, Director Mr. Brajesh Maheshwari sir, Deepak Raj Jain sir, special guest Goldie Jain ji, and the chief guest in Excise Department in Chorei. So I would like to show my gratitude towards her. In this small moment of time, she accepted our invitation and she came here. So just give a big round of applause for our chief guest and special guest. Prestigious ceremony. Investiture ceremony definitely it is one of the most important ceremony of AIA in which we promote our leaders. I will say school is the primary step. स्कूल ही एक ऐसा स्टेप है जहाँ बच्चे की हर तरह की स्किल को निकाला जाता है, खोजा जाता है। और हो सकता है कि ये जो लीडर्स हम लोग यहाँ उनका लीडरशिप स्किल निकाल रहे हैं, हो सकता है कि इन फ्यूचर दे कैन बिकम अ गुड लीडर ऑफ इंडिया. So that's the point. So the parents those who are present here, I would like to tell you the thing कि ये लीडर आज जिनका इन्वेस्टिचर सेरेमनी हो रहा है, जिनका शपथ ग्रहण हो रहा है, इन्होंने किन प्रोसेस को फॉलो किया, कौन सी प्रोसेस से होकर ये गुजरे हैं, तब जाके ये फाइनल या मिनिस्टर्स बने हैं. इन्वेस्टिचर सेरेमनी करवाने का मुख्य उद्देश्य स्कूल में ये कि बच्चों को भारत सरकार की निर्वाचन प्रणाली बताना. जिस तरह से हमारे भारत में चुनाव होते हैं, उस तरह से हमारे स्कूल के बच्चे जो भी मिनिस्टर्स बने हैं, उनके साथ और भी बच्चे थे जिन्होंने सबसे पहले तो एंट्रेंस एग्जाम दिया. एंट्रेंस एग्जाम में सिलेक्ट होने के बाद ही वो इंटरव्यू को फेस किया उन्होंने. जब वो इंटरव्यू में सिलेक्ट हो गए, उसके बाद उन्हें जिस तरह से हमारे देश के नेता उसी तरह से हमारे बच्चों ने भी नॉमिनेशन फॉर्म भरा. इसके बाद हमारे बच्चों को इलेक्शन टिकट इशू हुआ. जिस तरह से कैंडिडेट्स को इशू होते हैं इंडियन सिस्टम में, तो हमने उनको इलेक्शन टिकट इशू किया. इसके बाद मैनिफेस्टो डिक्लेरेशन हुआ. मैनिफेस्टो डिक्लेरेशन में जो नेता जिस तरह से हमें प्रॉमिस करते हैं कि वो इलेक्शन जीतने के बाद क्या बनेंगे भविष्य में, उस तरह से हमारे बच्चों ने भी ये प्रॉमिस किया है कि वो आफ्टर बिकमिंग मिनिस्टर बनने के बाद स्कूल के लिए क्या करेंगे. तो उस तरह से प्रॉपर मैनिफेस्टो भी डिक्लेयर हुआ था. आफ्टर मैनिफेस्टो कैंपेनिंग हुआ, जिसको हम कहते हैं चुनाव का प्रचार प्रसार. तो 2 दिन उन बच्चों ने खुद को प्रमोट किया कि बच्चे उन्हें वोट क्यों दें, वोट देने के बाद व्हाट डू दे डू फॉर देम, वो उनके लिए क्या करेंगे. ये सारी चीजें बच्चों ने कोशिश भी किया है. देन आफ्टर 15th of July 2024 इलेक्शन डे, उस दिन इलेक्शन हुआ और यहाँ हमारे क्लास 3rd से 10th के सारे स्टूडेंट्स ने अपने कैंडिडेट को वोट दिया. एंड फाइनली यू कैन सी द विनर्स दोज हु आर टेकिंग वोट टुडे. नाउ investiture ceremony, so definitely I would like to speak especially for the AIA cabinet, those who took oath today. I would like to give the congratulations to AIA cabinet 2024-25, and I would like to ask one thing, what is a leader? एक लीडर क्या होता है, एक लीडर क्या करता है, what a leader should do, उसे करना क्या चाहिए. मैं आज की one question, I think so many of the students and the parents they also know is the heaviest animal? Maybe blue whale or elephant. Am I right? I think so you are very poor in GK. Who is the wisest animal? Wisest, सबसे जो बहुत sharp बुद्धिमान jaguar we can consider. Who is the fastest animal? Correct, cheetah. Out of all these things, out of all these questions, let me tell me one thing. Who is the king of the jungle? Yes, lion. Lion is not the heaviest animal. He is not the fastest animal. He is not the wisest animal. Still, he is the king of the jungle. फिर भी lion jungle का राजा है. Why? Because he is bold. He is courageous. He is ready to take challenges. That's why he is the leader of the jungle. वो बहुत स्मार्ट नहीं है, वो बहुत तेज नहीं दौड़ता है, वो बहुत चालाक नहीं है, but he has the potential to deal with the challenges. वो चैलेंज से डील करता है, वो बहुत शार्प है, वो बोल्ड. That's why he is called the king of the jungle. I think आप लोग मेरी बात समझ रहे हैं. So again I am saying, leader means not the one is very tallest और very wisest, बहुत होशियार होना चाहिए लीडर को, या बहुत बुद्धिमान होना चाहिए. No, it's not like that. A leader should ready to take the challenges. लीडर का मतलब सिर्फ वो नहीं कि वो कहीं लीड, जो सिर्फ लीड करता है वही लीडर नहीं है, जो दूसरों के कामों को देखता है वो लीडर नहीं है. No. I am giving one more example about our honorable Prime Minister. He was the tea seller. सभी को पता है वो चाय बेचते थे. But he had that leadership skill. और ये स्किल को निकालने का काम, आपकी ये लीडरशिप क्वालिटी को बाहर निकालने का काम स्कूल का है. That's why we used to conduct such type of program, ताकि बच्चों के अंदर की लीडरशिप क्वालिटी निकले. क्या पता आगे चल के भविष्य का प्रधानमंत्री हमारे हरियाणा का कोई बच्चा बन जाए. So, by giving all these examples, I just would like to draw your attention. Do not become the leader who dominates only. सिर्फ डोमिनेट करना ही लीडरशिप नहीं है. आपको उनको देखना है, उन्होंने आपको वोट दिया है, यदि वो कोई मिस्टेक करते हैं तो यू हैव टू गाइड देम. उन्हें समझाना है, ना कि उन्हें डोमिनेट करना है और डांटना है. सिर्फ यही नहीं होता है लीडर जो हमेशा डांटता रहे. आपकी कमियों को बताने वाला, आपकी कमियों को सुधारने वाला ही एक सच्चा लीडर होगा. ओके, so once again I would like to congratulate the AIA Cabinet 2024-25 along with the House Critic, those who will take the oath here after few times, and all the class critics of grade 1 to 10. After few moments they will also take the oath here. So my best wishes to all of them. Thank you.
Our students will surely implement these words in their lives.
जोड़ना है तुझे ऊंचा, परों को खोल के रख. कसौटी वक्त की है, हौसलों को तोल के रख. अभी आगाज है तेरा, बहुत कुछ सीखना है. कमर कसनी अभी बाकी है, मुट्ठी खींचना है. अभी आगाज है तेरा, बहुत कुछ सीखना है. कमर कसनी अभी बाकी है, मुट्ठी खींचना है. भले हालात हो कैसे भी बस ये सोच ले तू, यही है सुख यही है रात, बस अब जीतना है. लिखूंगा खुद नई तकदीर अपने हाथ से मैं, रगों में खून के संग इस जुनून को खोल के रख. कसौटी वक्त की है, हौसलों को तोल के रख. जोड़ना है तुझे ऊंचा, परों को खोल के रख. कसौटी वक्त की है, हौसलों को तोल के डूबना है बेटा अब तो कूद आशीर्वाद हो साथ में जब साथ में जब साथ में जब गूंज होगा आशीष मिले हर बात में जब बात में जब बात में जब बाधाओं से फिर कैसा डरना यारो हर बाबा का हल हो अपने हाथ में जब करना है कर लेंगे कर सकते हैं अपनी तो बस यही जिद है हर हाल में बस थोड़ी सी दूर दिखाई देती है अंदर अब भरपूर दिखाई देती है पूरी टकरा पहुंचे अब तो यारो आंखें जिंदगी गूंज सुनाई देती है
I would like to take a moment and welcome, let's welcome him with a huge round of applause. The performers of this performance were from grade 8, Saban Sharma, Raj.
Director sir, respected principal sir, teachers and all my dear fellow friends. I am Shivangi Tripathi of grade 10 and I am deeply honored to stand here before you as the newly elected head girl of the school. Here, I am standing as the newly elected head girl. First and foremost, I want to thank my teachers and my friends for their support. Your trust in me has given me strength to strive for excellence. Earlier, public speaking was not so easy for me, but in the school, with each debate, competition and speech, I became comfortable and gained my confidence. Recently, I am in grade 10, which means this is my last year in the school. But as the head girl of the school, I want to graduate by knowing that I have done something for the school. And I learned one thing, that confidence isn't that you build. I pledge to dedicate myself with very zeal, devotion and determination to ensure that every voice is heard. Furthermore, I will work for the advantages of our school and students. Together, let's create a school where every student imparts to thrive and make our school proud. Moreover, take care of health. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
You are a truly inspiration. Following the trail, it is now time for our class prefects for the session 2024-25 to take oath. The newly elected class prefect, Mrs. Raghu Vire. He wants to become an IITian as he believes boosts confidence in his life. He is also known for his honesty in these past years. We hope that you do your level best.
Miss Samriddhi Yadurvanshi, daughter of Mr. Deepak Kumar Yadurvanshi and Mrs. PS officer, as it is the dream of her parents and she wishes to fulfill it. Also, she wants to do welfare for the society.
The newly elected later.
Galaxy is Miss Shabhi Soni, daughter of Mr. Pawan Kumar Soni and Mrs. Officer. As her father is her inspiration, she always wanted to serve the country and wanted to create a positive impact in the society.
The newly elected class prefect of grade 7 Rainbow is daughter of Mr. Rakesh Amore. She wants to become a doctor as she wants to make the country disease free. Also, she wants to help the poor people who cannot afford costly treatments. What a thought, Yamini!
Is Master Abhigyan Shankar, son of Mr. Kaushal Shankar and Mrs. Kalpana Best. As he has interest in science and space, he likes learning about planets and galaxies. He likes to visit different planetariums.
The newly elected Rashmi Pathare, daughter of Mr. Sunil Pathare, and as she wants to make her father proud. She wants to make the country. She wants to be a doctor, and she also wants to make the country disease free. She wants to
Galaxy is Miss Aradhna Vadiga, daughter of Mr. Ramchandra Vadiga and Mrs. Sunita Vadiga. As she believes in women empowerment and wants to raise employment ratio in our country, we hope that she gets successful with her arts.
the newly elected class prefect of grade 2, daughter of Mr. Lokesh Kumar Sahu, and become a doctor as she wants to make her father proud. She has chosen this profession as she is interested in medical sciences.
Master Sarthak Giri, son of Mr. Ravindra Giri and Mrs. Raju Giri. He wants to do development, desiring to give back to the society. He has given you opportunities. Being inspired by the impactful work of civil servant. Being excited by the deserved range of responsibility.
Rainbow is Master Vikas Choria, son of Mr. Vinod Choria and Mrs. Seema Choria, and help people lead healthier lives and make a meaningful contribution to the world. He wants to diagnose and treat patients with life-threatening conditions, provide support and advice, and
Atma Kochia, son of Mr. Manish Kumar Atma Kochia and Mrs. Ekta Atma Kochia. He wants to become a cricketer, bowling and fielding skills on regular basis. He says cricket can help you stay fit, improve your mental skills, appreciate different cultures, develop leadership and teamwork skills, and grow and develop as an individual. Surely,
Rainbow is Master Arun Singh Bains, son of Mr. Nitish Singh Bains and Mrs. Sugata Bains. He served the country and made the nation proud. He wants to set an example
Parivar. She wants to become a teacher as she wants to make positive and long-lasting change in the society and make the students more literate. Wish you all the love, Archana.
The newly elected Arvi Jole, daughter of Mr. Master Jole and Mrs. Gautamna Jole. She wants to become an IAS or IPS officer and welfare for the society and wants to serve the nation as much as she can. We wish you all the best for your future endeavors.
The newly elected class prefect of son of Mr. Kaushal Shankar and Mrs. Kalpana Shankar. He wants to become a doctor. As a doctor, he wants to use his skills and knowledge to heal and treat those who sick or and improving health. Motivates him to pursue a career in medicine. As a doctor, he wants to contribute to medical advancements and researches to benefit society.
The newly elected class prefect of grade 1st Rainbow is Ms. Jivika Nagam, a doctor, and wants to take away the pain and suffering of others by giving them medical treatment, a positive impact on each and everyone's life, and also wants to be the continuous source of happiness for many people and their families. What a wonderful thought, Jivika. We wish you all the luck for your future. Our newly elected class prefect. Now, I request Shankar Mathur sir to join us on the stage for commencing the oath-taking ceremony of the class prefects. Applause.
I take up the responsibilities of class prefect entrusted to me, and I solemnly promise that I will discharge my duties with dedication and sincerity. I will abide by the rules and carry out the instructions given to me by the principal and the members of the staff to bring honor to our class. Your hand down.
Rajesh Maheshwari sir to join us on the stage and continue with a huge round of applause. Jivika Nagre. Let's give her a huge round of applause.
special guest, please pin the badge to the Prefect of Grade 2 Galaxy. Please give her a big round of applause.
Request you to move forward, and I request our chief guest to pin him the badge. Let's give him a huge round of applause.
And I request to our guest, please pin and badge.
The class prefect, great, pin the badge for him.
Prefect of Grade 4, please pin him the badge.
Fine. Miss Nishika Sahu. I request our special guest, Miss Kumari Bharti, to pin her the badge.
Now, and I request to our special guest, Kumari Bharti, please pin her the badge.
Our special guest, Kumari Bharti ji, to pin her the badge.
Now I would like to call and for request to our chief guest, please pin in the badge.
Guest, Kumari Bharti ji, to pin her the badge.
Now I request to class prefect, special guest, please pin her the badge.
Forward. I request
Now I would like to call Miss to our guest, please pin her the badge.
Master Bhavesh J to move for chief guest to pin him the badge. Now I request to chant for the session 2024-25.
और एक माँ की दुआ है कि हाथों की लकीरों को भी रोक सकता है सबको खुद नहीं ठिकावे सीने में जज्बा डाला है तुझे इस हवा में आग बन के उड़ना है उड़ना है उड़ना है और मैं जीत चुना मैं जीत चुना जहाँ से
a warm round of applause as we invite Mr. Vikram Age, the Mayor of Chindwara, to grace the stage and address the meeting.
आज इस शहर के बेहतरीन स्कूलों में से एक इंटरनेशनल स्कूल के शपथ ग्रहण कार्यक्रम में हमारे बीच पर उपस्थित जिला आबकारी के अधिकारी आदरणीय भारती जी, डायरेक्टर सर आदरणीय महेश्वरी जी, गोल्डी जैन जी हमारे साथ बैठे मेरे मित्र CID ऑफिसर बलराम दुर्वे जी और यहाँ बैठे सभी पेरेंट्स, प्यारे बच्चों और समस्त स्टाफ, हमारे विजय तिवारी जी सहित पूरे सारे स्टाफ, आप सबको इस अवसर पर मैं बहुत सारी बधाई और शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ कि आज अरविंद इंटरनेशनल स्कूल में जो हमारे नए लीडर चुने गए, क्लास के लीडर चुने गए, स्कूल्स के लीडर चुने गए, अलग अलग विभागों के जो लीडर चुने गए हैं, उनके शपथ ग्रहण में आकर बड़ी खुशी हुई और मैं सभी को बधाई और शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ। निश्चित तौर पर पढ़ाई के साथ साथ ये सब एक्टिविटी में भी हमें भाग लेना चाहिए, जो आने वाले समय में, आने वाले भविष्य के लिए बहुत समझदारी सीखने वाली चीजें होती है कि हमें दुनिया में हमारे आने वाली समस्याओं से कैसे हम लड़ेंगे, कैसे अपनी जिम्मेदारियों का निर्वहन करेंगे। ऐसे तमाम एक्टिविटी, चाहे खेलकूद की हो, चाहे सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रम की हो, निश्चित तौर पर इस स्कूल में आके हमेशा गौरवान्वित महसूस होता है। सभी बच्चों के उज्जवल भविष्य की कामना करता हूँ और सभी अपनी ओर से भी और स्कूल प्राइमरी की ओर से सभी पेरेंट्स यहाँ पर बैठे उनका बहुत बहुत आभार व्यक्त करता हूँ। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Principal sir to present ladies and gentlemen, please give them a huge round of applause to our guest.
Zakaria of grade 10 on 24 August 2024. Take charge as Dhyan Prefect.
I, Dhanraj Jain of grade 24 August 2024 take
I, Mayank Dongre of grade 10 on 24 August 2024 take charge as Dhyan Prefect. I, Kanshika Bhade of grade 10 on 24 August 2024 take a charge as Karma House Prefect. I, Sakshi Mauri of grade 10 on 24 August 2024 take charge as Shraddha House Prefect.
I, Akshay Bhoke of grade 10 on 24 August 2024 take charge as Niti House Prefect. I, Jigyash Kochar of grade 10 on 24 August 2024 take charge as a Shraddha House Prefect.
I, Tejasvi Bari of grade 9 on 24 August 2024 take charge as Niti House Prefect for academic year 2024-25.
I take up the responsibilities of House Prefect entrusted to me, and I solemnly promise that I will discharge my duties with dedication and sincerity, and carry out the instructions given to me by the principal and the members of the staff to bring honor to our house.
The Dhyan House Prefect for
For showing your trust in me. I promise to fulfill all my duties and responsibilities. For accomplishing this goal, I request and appeal to every student of the school and council members to join each other hand and form a unity among us to make our school even a greater right. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. रुक जा रे बंदे ये हाथ जरा
सी है बात समझ बंदे कुछ देर ही बाकी है रख रखी आँखों से बात आज हट जाएगा चाँद तेरी आँखों में बंदे चल के आएगा
अजीब नहीं बोली वह सबसे अलग है और वही तुम्हारी खासियत है
बैठी हवा साथ हवा उठी पतंगी सा खाबो कहाँ गया सिद्धू हमको तो राहें भी चलाती वो खुद अपनी राह बनाता गिरता संभलता मस्ती में चलता था हमको कल की फिक्र सताती वो बस आज का जश्न मनाता हर लम्हे को खुद के जीता था कहाँ से आया था वो छुपी हमारे दिल को कहाँ गया उसे
अक्सर लोग बेहतरीन लोगों का ही पहले मजाक उड़ाते हैं और उनको अजीब समझते हैं आइंस्टाइन और टेस्ला वो तो सब जानते ही होंगे उनका भी सबने मजाक बनाया था पर क्या वो हैरी नहीं ना और आज वो उस मुकाम पे है जहाँ उन्हें हर कोई पहचानता है वैसे ही तुम भी आगे बढ़ो बस आनी मनमानी बस आनी आपको इंडिया साइंस अवार्ड दिया जाता है This is for you and for your hard work.
What a fabulous expertise have truly left indelible mark on all of us. As we are immensely grateful for your time and your willingness to share your knowledge and insight with us. Our director, Mr. Brajesh Maheshwari sir, the chairman, Mr. Sanjeev Singhai sir, Mr. Deepak Raj Jende, Ekdam, your encouraging word today have motivated us all, especially the newly elected student leaders, to take up their roles with greater responsibility and commitments. I want to say thanks to all the parents for your support. Your presence means the world to us. A big thank you to our principal, Mr. Ravi Shankar Mathur sir. Your contribution added depth and perspective to today's function. We are fortunate to have had you with us, sir. A big thank you to our teacher staff for their tireless effort behind the scenes to ensure everything ran smoothly. Your hard work, passion shaped the future of our institution and students, and for that we are deeply grateful.
Hello.